guys, it's Lisa back with a new layout, and as you already saw, this is a Doodlebug Hub. So a bunch of Doodlebug lovers came together with our organizer Erica Rose, and yeah, we just thought, or Erica thought that it would be a very cool idea to do a Doodlebug Hub, and that's what we did. And Erica will be giving away a prize to a random winner. All you need to do is subscribe to all of our channels and leave some comments in the comments boxes. So yeah. Let's talk a little bit about my layout. I started by doing the background, and I like. Does that happen to you too if you do the videos, that exactly the day that you need a perfect video for a YouTube hub or something, the camera dies on you and you don't see it? So yeah, my phone was just not filming anymore, and yeah, so I just created a background using 3 colors with my gelatos and a baby wipe. So not a big deal. And then I just splattered some white paint. Then while that was drying, I came back to my cut file that I cut out. This is, of course, a Doodlebug cut file. It's from the new collection Hippity Hoppity. If you want to check it out, it's super cute. And then this is a different cut file. It's also from that same collection from Doodlebug, and it has these paint, not jars. What do you call those? Paint. I don't remember the word for those, but yeah, there's paint coming out. And I didn't really want the splatters to be all the same, has there ever been splatters that are exactly the same, or like the spills of color? I don't know. Probably not. So I cut them differently just to make it look more realistic, if you want to. But yeah, and then I just put everything together. I use my distress oxides and some daubers to create shadows around all of the pieces, because I think that this gives like a lot of dimension, and it makes the whole thing look so much better. So if I remember and I'm in the mood for it, and that's almost always, I just create some shadows with matching colors, because yeah, it really makes a huge difference, and it looks so cool in the end result. So yeah, I am adhering everything together, and yeah, this part, don't be scared. There is a part for this on the cut file. But it's a back piece for the not the jars, but the things with color, where you have these handles, but they were so thin, and I was scared that my machine would do something not good with these pieces. So I was too scared to let my machine cut them out. So I just created something else to attach the handles. So and then when everything is done, I am starting to put everything on my page and just see how I want everything to look. And since there were the color things, let's say things, the color thingies, I thought that it would be a very cool idea with the bunny and the chicks, that they would play in the color and like put the color on the bunny and everywhere on themselves, and like, yeah, just make a mess with the color. So I just cut out random pieces of color, splatters and splotches and spills, and I don't know, and put them a little bit everywhere. And I think, like, as I'm going on with this layout, everything looks cuter and cuter. And when I was creating it, I was like, okay, this looks so cool, and I need to put something more there and even there, and it looks so cute. That's very cool. And the cut file is like, yeah, it's very, very cute. So I'm creating some highlights. So I love to create shadows, but I also love, love, love to create highlights on my pieces. And I'm using a white pen. It's probably not the best pen if you want to really create bigger highlights, because this pen is very, very thin. But the other ones won't, like, yeah, they won't work as I want them to work. So I'm just fed up with them and use this one. And then I'm creating, I also love to create some doodly borders around my little pieces. And everything, like, when you look at your little cutie, you think, oh, he's very cute and he's done. But no, and then you add something and it's even better. And then you add something else and it's even better. And I could go on and just, like, yeah. You need touches of interest and something to make everything look even cuter. And I really love to do that. So and then I'm putting fun foam, or what do you call that, 3D foam on the back of my bunny. And I already attached the color thingies, and the yellow one I will attach later because it will overlap the bunny. And I will use the blue and the pink one. I just put some like sorry, some tape, some double-sided tape, so they are flat on the page. And then this one will be a little bit higher, and then the yellow little thingy will be even higher. And what's cool with I also attached the feet and the hands of the bunny with foam squares, and it really makes the bunny look like a huge doodle pop. Do you know the doodle pops? They are layered and dimensional. Like, this one is a huge, huge doodle pop. That's so cool. So yeah, just putting some highlights on my color thingies there, on my spills and splatters. And then I'm like putting my photo down. So I am going through the Hibbity Hoppity 6x6 paper pad and just randomly choosing some colors that I want to put behind my photo. And that's already it. I really love to put a lot of papers behind my photos. And some of the papers will, like, disappear behind the whole thing, but yeah, doesn't really matter. Then I wanted to go through my bits and pieces, but I decided to do the title first. I'm using different fonts from Doodlebug. This one is called Skinny, this one is called Abigail, and I love to use different fonts, different colors, and yeah. And I love the Doodlebug fonts and alphas. They are very cool. The colors are endless, it seems, and yeah. Then I'm finally going through my odds and ends here, and I'm choosing some flowers and some eggs and some clouds. And this cloud on the right will disappear as I'm pasting everything down, as I'm adhering everything down. I didn't know what happened. It was just like gone. It was like I had it before my eyes, and the next moment it was just gone, and I couldn't find it anywhere. But then when I tied it up, of course, I found it, but it's not on the layout anymore. It just vanished in front of me, in front of my eyes. So putting down the eggs and the flowers and everything I want on there. It's getting a little bit full, but I didn't really care because I wanted everything. I just wanted everything on my layout. Yeah, since I started the layout, I knew that I wanted to create some like splatters that were like coming out of these thingies, these jars, and yeah, I did that. And then later, okay, my camera died again, so you won't see that, but if you look at the picture, there are some cute little chicks that jump into these jars, and so that makes the color come out, and it looks so fun. Look at this. So yeah, hop on to every other participant, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.